Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show that how to turn on dark mode on mobile phone. For the settings you have to open your settings option on your device. Click your settings. After clicking to settings you can see here many options. Scroll down and you can see here display option. If you not found display option you can search here display. And see guys, there is display option. Click to display option and you can see here dark mode settings. Click here dark, and see guys, the mode has been changed to dark. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.